As we welcome in 2026, I just wanted to take this time to thank each and every one of you for your support over the last year. 2025 has been amazing with the amount of you that have joined in. We grew a big variety of different things over the last year or two, and I hope that you have joined in with as many of those grow alongs as you possibly could, and that you'll be joining in with the grow alongs for next year as well. All the information for them will be out in the next couple of weeks. There are still posts both on Instagram and Facebook where you can give information of what maybe you'd like to grow in 2026. If you haven't joined in with any of the grow alongs yet, then they are designed completely for beginners and to support you right from the moment that we're putting the seed in the ground right up to harvest, or even saving seed from those plants as well. And then I'm always available to contact too. So if you haven't managed to join in, then I hope that you can next year. And I do truly believe that everybody, if you've got space for a planter or even some space on your windowsill, can grow food for yourself and your family. I also have plans on how to better support you and adapt seedling success going forward into 2026 and 2027. So I hope that you will enjoy any changes. But as always, please do give me any feedback and let me know if there's anything that you're not quite sure on as well. That just leaves me to wish you a happy 2026. And I look forward to seeing what you grow and what you achieve in the year as well.